Well, straight to Canada now, where Prime Minister Mark Carney said he'll meet with US President Donald Trump in Washington on Tuesday. Their first face-to-face encounter since he won an election, in part because of an anti-Trump message. This, as the US President Donald Trump has said, it's highly unlikely he would resort to military force to annex Canada, but is adamant that the border separating it from the United States is an artificial line that prevents the two territories from forming a beautiful country. Maha Siddiqui has been tracking all the latest developments in Vancouver for us. She joins us live at the moment. Maha, so Trump's meeting with Carney is to unfold against a backdrop of the renewed 51st state rhetoric?
Absolutely, Parmeshwar. That rhetoric continues against Canada, and that is the biggest worry for Canada at the moment. And that is why we are seeing that Mark Carney will not just be negotiating an economic and a security agreement with the US, but has also made it clear that he will be doing so as the leader of a sovereign nation. So clarifying the stand of Canada that it continues to be a sovereign nation and will continue to be one. In fact, this matter was raised in the conversation on the 28th of March, the first one between Donald Trump and Mark Carney, in which Donald Trump is believed to have started off by referring to Canada as the 51st state of the United States, to which Mark Carney had said that this was never on the table and will never be on the table. So this meeting, the first meeting between the new Prime Minister of Canada, Mark Carney, and President Trump will take place on Tuesday in the White House. And not only will the two leaders be meeting, but their delegations will be meeting as well. It remains unclear, though, at the moment, Parmeshwar, whether the Canada is going to first push for the removal of all tariffs before they get into formal negotiations on a renewed agreement with the US, or whether these tariffs are going to continue. As of now, the only fact that we know is that Mark Carney will be holding these talks with Donald Trump on the grounds that Canada remains a sovereign country.
As always, Maha, thank you so much for joining us with the lowdown.